It's Mike the Gay Puppet. Hello, bitches. Last time I was a couple puppets were singing. I was out taking a hot shower. I'm all nice and clean now. All clean and sparkly for all of you to enjoy. I'm sure there's going to be some jealous asshole that wants to make another video, about some stupid puppet named, I don't know. I forget that puppet's name. It doesn't really matter. I'm here to entertain all of you. How was everybody's week? How y'all doing out there? It's Mike the Gay Puppet, and I'm fabulous tonight. I have returned today. Just in case any of you miss me and wanted to kiss me. Here I am, puckering up, motherfuckers. I'll see you later. I'll be behind you, definitely. Hey everyone, it's Jim. What's happening? I guess I did too many bong hits. Yeah, maybe I gotta go clean up. Too much of anything is never good. Remember, kids out there, don't do drugs. It's bad. It's really bad. Maybe I swallowed too much of Mike's cum tonight. Right, so stay safe, and don't drink and drive. I'll see you kitties later. Goodbye, all you motherfuckers. Have a good one. This is Jim the Puppet. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed the puppet show, everybody. All right. Later. Later, douchebags.